Okay, this first one is the most popular white dragon fruit. It is white inside. The next one is the second most popular, which is red inside. And the third one, obviously, this is called the yellow dragon fruit. Now, let's get into how to pick these out. This is my only talent, so I want to make sure and do this properly. Okay, now, how are we going to pick these out? Let's start with the regular one. Now, how do we know the difference between the regular dragon fruit and the red dragon fruit? Well, as you can see, the regular dragon fruit comes a little bit bigger, okay? The skin is smoother. Let's look at the skin of the regular dragon fruit, and now let's look at the skin of the red dragon fruit. It's a little more tough, and it's smaller, and it's actually a little bit darker as well on the outside. These are tough, okay? When I first started this game, you know, I've been in this fruit game for years. It made me an animal. Alright, you guys know that song, You're Cool Like Me. So anyway, okay, so when I first started, I didn't know. You can't really tell. After a while, look at that. A little darker, skin is not as smooth. You're gonna be able to tell. Just stick with it, stick in the game. Now, how do you know if it's ripe? So this is a regular dragon fruit. Few ways to know if it's ripe, okay? So the leaves on it should be turning. So for example, they should not be like this. If they're yellow or green, not ripe. If they are, looks like they are falling off and they're turning bad, they're turning brown, that's how you know it's ripe. Okay, so another way to know if it's ripe is if it has a little give. It cannot be rock hard, okay? This is rock hard. Can't be rock hard. It's got to have a little give. Similar to an avocado. Okay, and if you're looking for organic dragon fruit, good luck, because I've seen them once and they were ridiculously priced. Just get the regular dragon fruit at your local Asian market. Okay, now let's talk about the red dragon fruit. How to know if it's ripe? Same thing. It's got to look like it's going bad. It's got to have a little give. I've found that the red ones have to have a little more give, even more so. Like they have to be a little softer than the regular ones in order to be ripe. So you always want, especially the red ones, they gotta look like they're going bad. Like you see how this looks like it's totally rotting away? This is exactly how you want it, baby. And finally, the yellow ones. I'm fairly new to consuming the yellow ones, but it's about the same. So this is not very ripe. It's still green. You want it to be brown. You see how this one is more brown, these little dots? The yellow ones, for some reason, they don't have the same like leaves on them. I'm not sure. I gotta do some more research as to what happened to the leaves here. Look at this cool fucking top, dude. It's fucking cool as fuck. Alright, so let's get into them. Okay, first one we're gonna cut open is the regular schmegular. Regular dragon fruit. You want to cut from the side, like so, down the middle. Okay, that's how you want to cut it. Some ways to eat this. Okay, you can cut it like this, and like this, and you can get it out like so, in little nice squares. Okay, one way. Not very fucking fancy. Another way you can eat it, just take a spoon, scoop it out. Next is the red dragon fruit. You want to cut it the same way. Cut it from the side. Okay. This one is very beautiful. Much more beautiful. and the white. You can do the same thing. Okay. You can cut it into slices like so. Flip it and reverse it. Slices, baby. Finally, we have the yellow. You're gonna cut it the same way. Now the yellow is the most delicious. I highly recommend just scooping this out with a spoon. You can do cubes as well, just like so. You know what I should have done? I should have done an ASMR, because I feel like these noises like could really help you go to sleep. Thumbs up if you also enjoy ASMR. You know how some people have a porn addiction? Well, I have that too, but I also have an addiction to ASMR. Cannot go to sleep without some good old ASMR. Now, comment down below if you'd also like me to do an ASMR, because I don't know if you noticed, I have a very ASMR qualified voice. So if you'd like an ASMR of fruit, if you'd like a fruit ASMR, comment down below. If you'd like a fruit ASMR, comment down below. Okay, I don't know how I'm gonna do that, but there you go. There you go. There you go. We've got the 3 varieties. Clearly, the winner is the yellow. Okay, here's the 3 types. The yellow, the red, regular. Yellow is the most delicious. Do not play yourself. It is fucking delicious. Second best is the red. And the regular is just okay. There's really no major taste to the regular, so it's not my favorite thing in the world. But I'll eat it. When it's good, it's good. When it's not good, it just doesn't taste like anything. Alrighty. I'll see you guys in the next video. Thank you for watching. Bye. Another little tip I have is to refrigerate your dragon fruit. They taste better refrigerated. What other tips do I have? Okay, the yellow one is the most delicious. If you ever see this in the stores, please do yourself a favor and get this. There's something similar though that does not taste like this. So there's something called, I believe it's called a cucumber melon. And it's the same kind of like color and shape, but it's not a dragon fruit. Do not get that. It tastes like fuck all nothing. The yellow dragon fruit is the most delicious thing on earth. Ooh, it's delicious. So I highly recommend this guy. The next one is the red. The next one is the white. Any questions? Leave them down below. I would absolutely love to answer any of your questions. Again, I think I said this already earlier, but it's very hard to find organic. I personally cannot find organic in New York. I've never seen organic. I mean, yes, one time I did see organic red dragon fruit, and they were so goddamn expensive that I was like, this is insane. These come from Vietnam, and they have a 3. Not the best. So 9 means organic, 4 means commercial, and I don't know. I believe 3 means GMO, but I could be wrong. But I have a strong feeling. I mean, I don't know, dude. I gotta do some more research. I used to know all this stuff by heart. 3 can't be GMO. There's no way. Well, there's a way. But anyway, comment down below any questions you have, and I will see you in the next video. Thanks for watching. Bye. Also, this is my room. This is where I make all the magic happen. Just kidding. There's no magic. It's just like a fucking mic and a camera and some dragon fruit. But, yeah, my yoga mat. Seriously, these are like my favorite things in the universe, all in one shot. My camera, my mic, fruit, and yoga mat. I really love yoga. If I could get in shape doing yoga, I think I can, but it's just going to take a few more years. But I just love it so much. I could do it all day long. It's like, yeah, sometimes it's hard, but most of the time it's just so relaxing and I love it. And I wish I could just do yoga all day. But no, apparently I have to do cardio. Bullshit. Okay, have a good day. Bye.